This is the multiple choice section of the matter test that we took at the beginning of the year, which is a substance. A substance is something with a single identity. It could be an element or it could be a compound, like water has a single identity. In this case, NaCl has a single identity, so the best answer is C, either one of those. Number two, if all of the atoms are just alike, that has to be an element. So the only element listed here is sodium. The compound would be something that is always made the same way. So the best answer here is something that always has 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen, and 11 atoms of oxygen. These other choices say, well, it contains about, sort of, a lot of other stuff, somewhere around or about. Those are generalizations, and those are not compounds. Compounds are always made the same way. Number four, a substance in which all the exact combinations of elements are always the same, we just said, is a compound. So that's a different way to ask the same question. If something's diatomic and it's oxygen, then diatomic, di means two atoms. Di means two, atomic means atom, so two atoms. So we're looking at two of the same kind of atoms if it's oxygen. Number six, a substance only has one identity. Well, blood is a mixture of oxygen and hemoglobin and water. Jello, we know, is a colloid. Sugar and milk would be our two possibilities, but milk has water and lactic acid and sugar and protein, lots of stuff in it. Sugar itself is a compound. Solutions are evenly mixed, so the most evenly mixed thing we see right here would be sugar water. The homogeneous substance down here, homogeneous means has one identity. Excuse me, it means it's the same throughout. The same throughout, and so one identity things are always homogeneous. Also, solutions are homogeneous because they're completely evenly mixed. So all of these work. So the correct answer would be all of those. Because iron is an element, salt is a compound, and a solution is a homogeneous mixture. So all are homogeneous. Which is heterogeneous and looks like it's homogeneous. In other words, which is a colloid, that was Jello. And if you can separate a sample of matter without doing a chemical reaction, the matter was a mixture. Compounds have to be separated by chemical reactions, but mixtures do not. And that's the end of the little multiple choice section we had on the matter quiz.